Hey everybody, welcome back to Hunk and Junk. I know it's been a while since I've been on, but kind of had a lot going on and this and that. Well, I'm going to get it cranked back up, and we're going to get it started today. And the best way to do it is, my old spot welder took a crap on me last week, so we went and bought a new one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing for you here and kind of show you how to set it up and run through and everything and use it. And show you how it operates, show you how it works, show you exactly what to expect when you get it out of the box. This is not open. Sorry my camera's not really focused down, but I'll change that in a minute. But stay tuned, and we'll get on this, and I'll be right back with you. Let's open this thing up. And sorry about all the shaking. That's a workbench. Alright. So, first thing you see here is your instructions. This is the 120 volt spot welder from Harbor Freight. I think it was $160, $170, somewhere around in that ballpark. Without further ado, this guy is heavy. The best way to get it out is just to break that styrofoam. Instead of trying to lift it out with that styrofoam, it's just kind of a big pain. All right. Wow. Oh. All right. Yes, sir. All right. So it's nice and new and pretty. And get all this undone. All right, so in the box you'll find this handle. Goes right here. I don't use it, so I'm gonna put that back in the box. It just gets in my way. It uses 2 screws that go right here, and it says pretty tight, and you can also see how out of alignment your tongs are. So gives you 2 sets of tips, 4 altogether, and these are very, very simple to install. They just thread right in. So handy dandy channel locks. I do not recommend it this way, but if it's what you got on hand, it will work. All right, now when you close it, well, I'll be damned, this one's actually lined up. My other one wasn't lined up. It's right on the money too, right? Yeah. Hell, it's ready to use. My last one, when I bought it, these were out of alignment. It took me a while to figure out how to line them up. But really, all your alignment is in this nut, these 2 nuts right here. You got 4 Allens right there. You can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you got 4 on the bottom. Those 4 Allens loosens these up so that you can move them around and adjust them and dial them in. So let's get this dude plugged in, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so we got us some thin scrap metal here. And basically the way a spot welder works, you take your metal, and my spot welder is plugged in, it's hot, it's electric, but you can grab it and touch it, won't hurt you. Take your metal, you want to overlap it, see what I'm saying? You can't butt it together. My camera's at a funky angle, so you can't butt it together, it has to be overlapped, see what I'm saying? Then you come in here, spread your diodes, get it all lined up where you want to be. You can touch the metal, but this is kind of short, so I'm not going to. Squeeze it down. This one's a lot hotter than my last one was. It burned right through. Alright, now that I got my tongs apart, my old spot welder, it got really weak over the years, and I'm not used to this one being brand new, and it just zaps it. So let's try that again. That last one I done, it just went straight through, so yeah. Let's see here. I just barely zapped it. Let's see how strong it is. I just went zzz, and that was it. Look at there. You can't pull it apart. And I just barely touched it. Let's try it again. Boy, this one's way nicer than my old one. Way stronger. Yeah! Look at there. You can't pull it apart. Wow. How nice. Well, I'm happy and I'm very impressed. I had my other Harbor Freight spot welder for what, 6 years, and I've done thousands upon thousands upon thousands of spot welds with it, and I loved it. And whenever it gave out, and I don't know that it gave out, the switch may have went bad. It could have been anything like that. But I'm not an electrician, I'm not a mechanic. I can fool this metal stuff. I don't know anything about this kind of stuff, these capacitors and electrical stuff. I just went and got a new one. You guys can do what you want. I bought a new one, and I love it, love it, love it. And I'll use this one, and I'll do thousands upon thousands of spot welds with it. And when it's done, I'll get another one. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you again real soon.